Hello all, welcome to my channel Tech Research. Those who are new to my channel, I share or post contents related to technology and research. So if you find this relevant for you, please don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned with me for today's video. In today's video, I am going to share an important concept, that is paraphrasing. You must have come across this word in your research career, or if you are trying to write down something new in your own words. In this video, I am going to share you the 5-step process for paraphrasing. So stay tuned with me and let's see what are the 5 steps that are involved in paraphrasing. The step number 1, read the original text till you understand it. So it is very important you keep on rereading the concepts until you understand and make a clear impression of what the workflow is speaking about. Step number 2, note down key concepts. It is important that when you are reading the text to write down some of the key words or key concepts that you have pointed or figured out from the paragraph, so it will give you a glimpse of what it is speaking about. Step number 3, now using these words, try to frame or build a sentences that could be helpful to point out the similar information. Step number 4, compare your paraphrase text with the original one and make sure to read it properly and make the relevant adjustments so they don't seem to be very similar. And the last step number 5, make sure you have included a citations for each of the work that you have referred. This is very important 5-step process. So if you will follow this 5 steps, it will be easy for you to paraphrase or read or draft any research article that you are looking for. Thanks for watching. Before leaving, please subscribe to my channel Tech Research for updated notifications. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.